Hello, I'm Dr. Chowdhry, and what's wrong with you? This is the name of the show where we find out what's wrong with you. With Dr. Chowdhry. Today I'm meeting real patients who have no idea I'm not technically qualified as a doctor. I'm actually a taxi driver.
Hello?
What's your name?
My name's Tyler.
Nice to meet you, Tyler. Are you ready to find out? What's wrong with you? What's wrong with you? Is the name of the show. I'm here with Eva. Please, what's wrong with you?
I got 3 kids, so my life is on, so sometimes I
Okay,
get...
she doesn't know because she's not a real doctor. But I am. My name is Dr. Chowdhry. Just like the engine of your car, your ears need to be tested regularly to ensure they are roadworthy. I'm going to say a few words. You need to repeat them back to me. Potato.
Potato.
Carrot.
Carrot.
Computer.
Computer.
Mouse.
Mouse. Gravity.
Chestnut.
Chestnut.
People do not care about their eyeballs enough. So I want to teach Tyler my new complete eyeball technique. Okay? My finger right now is the most important thing in the whole world. Just follow it. Follow. Follow. Follow, 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 follow. Follow, follow, follow. Naughty boy. Naughty, 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 naughty boy. Naughty, naughty boy. Naughty, 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 naughty boy. Follow, 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 follow. Don't move your head. Use the back of your eyes. Follow, 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 follow. Naughty, naughty, naughty boy. Naughty, naughty boy. Naughty, no. Did you use the back of your eyes?
Yes, I did.
How did it feel, seeing through the back of your eyes?
Felt very different.
As you get older, your thoughts get slower. You need to accelerate. I want to increase your neuron activity to the brain.
Okay.
I want to help you. So I'm going to plug you up to a thought accelerator. Eva, I'm just going to wheel you into position.
Okay.
Okay, we have this plugged into the mains. Now I have to ask you this for safety and insurance reasons. Do you have any metal plates in your head?
No.
Okay, according to the instruction manual, its sparks will fly if you have. It works by giving your brain a lot of radiation. Don't worry, it should be okay. 30 seconds, defrost. Okay. Now, don't try this at home. You can only do this if you are a fully qualified taxi driver. I mean doctor. Do you feel your thoughts are accelerating?
Yes.
Okay, 20 divided by 5.
4.
Good. 3 plus 3.
9.
Incorrect. I don't think it's working. I think we are frying Tyler's brain a little bit. Okay, I think it's ready. Still probably a little bit cold. Does anybody else want to warm up their coffee as well?